All right, a 1200 ohm resistor is hooked to an unknown voltage source and draws 87.5 milliamps of current. Okay, what is the voltage? Okay, so R is V over I, so therefore V is IR. Okay, so let's see, what is it? I is 87.5 milliamps, so that is 0.0875. Right? You can also just type 87.5 times 10 to the minus 3 in your calculator. Right? Milli just means times 10 to the minus 3 every time you see it. That way you don't have to like move the decimal the wrong number of places, right? So I'm going to go 87.5 times 10 to the minus 3 in my calculator times 1200. Right, and I think I've got this. So 87.5 e minus 3 times 1200. I get 105. V is